YINN stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video. So Direxion Daily Semiconductor, or just YINN ETF. Today I've experienced a 3% decrease in price, and I personally am still looking to take it higher, and only if the price gives me the rules. Now, just for context, I'm sticking to a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of great predictions. And in this case with YINN, yeah bro, I'm still waiting for exactly that. And unless the price gives me that bullish momentum here, I'm not gonna pull the trigger towards the upside. I know like a lot of people are waiting for me to say, okay, go ahead and buy. But the reality is that I'm not here to give you advice. I'm giving you my 2 cents. This is all demo and simulated, and it would only really be bullish for me if there is a decent double break here. And what I can do in this case is just wait, nothing else. So yeah, let me know what is your opinion on YINN. If you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.